This is going to be a very tech weekend. Everything shot is either going to be with these, the Vuzix blades, or this, the GoPro 10, or my buddy brought his drone. So it'll be filmed from the drone or the phone, and everything will be marked on what is used. But I think we have a nice weekend full of nice shots to get this island getaway in the 1,000 Islands. This place is awesome. Sally. Hey buddy, what are you doing? You're such a good dog. You're my best friend. Cook a lot of chicken, son. Oh my God. This, oh, I knew it. What do you got?
John, do you want?
Maybe a koozie slide.
That didn't go well for you.
We have blue ones and green ones.
Oh, can I have a
Which one do
blue
you
one?
guys want? I'll
We just give these away.
Oh, do you?
Yeah, we don't charge these. Green?
Oh my God, these are amazing.
Good old A-Bay. A-Vals.
Evals.
Got Rocky here.
Oh, this is all rock. That'll chew your prop
That's
off.
what it's all about.
Captain Mark, do we need our life jackets on?
No. Mark wants lights.
I know what Mark wants.
No red?
No, it's a
Oh, then it's just a shiner.
Mark got one
Yeah,
in
it
5
looks like a
seconds.
shiner.
These little
5
shiners.
seconds, got a little shiner. Look at that, that's some guy going. Oh, we like that. There's the view from the deck. Beautiful. That's beautiful. Freighter. 1,000 Islands. That thing is big, Johnny. Oh, on the lighthouse? Are you kidding me? You're good. That thing's a monster, dude. You drop it down, it's gorgeous. Can I get that sunflare? Look at that sunset. What do we need? You need the gin, the botanist?
Cut some lemons.
The lemons or limes? Just a little boathouse that opens up. It doesn't get better than this.
Right on St. Paul, just before, remember that one that was vacant for a long time?
Yeah.
It's like 5 houses that way. It's like a really skinny yellow house. It's tiny.
Yeah.
Can I check the course again?
Call back directly at area code.
Whoever's talking to me now, I'm starting to feel it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What's it saying? Have fun.
It's probably.
I think this is our place.
I do too. How do you get up there from here?
Yeah, come from there.
I gotta look it up. We're gonna overtake it, Brian.
That's nice.
Nice touch mark.
Nice.
It's down river, so it's not a big deal.
hobby front. Like that?
No. And just like that, we're packing up to go home.
Hey, Andy. Something else.
Bye, Mark. Just like that, it was over, Captain Mark.
Right, I know. Now we have to look forward to it.
I wouldn't say that.